Good day to you. I prepared this video based on popular demand of people that would like to register their MyCRA account for the first time. Please do not use this for the purposes not intended. This video is intended for people that file taxes with me because that is the only way it can make sense as to what I say in this video and what I have said during the tax filing. Thank you. So to make sure you are starting on a good footing, make sure you are in the Google environment. And when you have this Google, then you type register for CRA account, or whenever it comes out, you can pick it like that. Then you pick the first one, which is register for a CRA account. Then you see something like this, just scroll down until you see these three things highlighted in blue. Select the first one. So what we're saying is that you want to sign in with the same credentials you used to sign into your bank online account. So when it brings this window, just look for your bank. In this case, I'm going to use Scotia Bank. So you got Scotia Bank here. You pick it, then type in your username or the card number and put your password and click sign in. Then you have this window. So whatever device you use to authorize, you go to the device and authorize. It will ask you to put your social insurance number, your date of birth, and this line 15,000 on your so it may be different from what it will ask you, but you see that in this case, it's asking for line 15,000 in the previous page, and on this page, it's asking for line 14,500. These figures, you can see it on the on your federal tax, the second file that I usually send with the T183 form when I ask you to sign the T183. So you can check back and you check from this page. You should have a page like this. So you just check for whichever line you're asking and input the amount you see in that, on that line. Make sure you don't put comma and you don't enter the cent. For example, if they ask you for line 15,000 on this federal tax, you enter 55705. No comma, no cent. And if they ask you for line 10100, that's the very first line, you enter 68757. No comma, no cent. So after you've entered, just click on next, and that will take you to this page. Then on this page, select interact and select next. Then here is telling you what is required: Canada driver license, passport, or provincial ID. Click next. You can pause this page and make sure you read each page very well. So here I usually choose telephone, then click next. So you're going to receive a telephone. You're going to receive a code on your telephone. It is very possible that your number is not yet added. So what you do is you click on add a telephone number. Then it will ask you, so put cell 1 and enter your telephone number. It will bring you here, make sure what is display is correct. And click English and next. And here, click text me. Then whichever passcode that is sent to your phone number, enter it here and click next. Then it will bring this document verification consent. You read it and agree. If you don't agree, you click I don't agree. So you click continue. Then here you click whichever one you want to use. So it's either driver license or provincial photo ID. But I will click driver license and check this box and click continue. And you wait for it to load. So you're going to continue verification on your mobile phone. So get secure link on your phone. You click the blue and you enter your number here again and you click send link. Now you check your mobile and proceed to your phone to complete the next verification process. So you follow the prompt on your phone, take front of your ID and you press confirm, take back of your ID, press confirm, then continue, take a selfie of yourself and confirm. Make sure that whichever picture you take is very clear and the figures and numbers written are readable to you. Then you return from your phone to complete the verification process on your system. So you see that you're getting ready. Then if your picture is correct, fine, then they tell you success and you click next. Sometimes it will tell you it's unsuccessful, then you have to go back to the process all over again. So you wait for it to load. And now it takes you to the CRA page, but we are not yet out of the woods. So you go down and you click I agree. And if you do not agree, you can click I do not agree. So now this is your MyCRA account and it will ask you select an account. So you see your name there. So you click that and it takes you direct to your CRA, to your MyCRA account. You can minimize that. So here, this is the environment and you can do pretty well you like. Thank you.